In today's video, we're going to go over the topic of selling a property as is, and I'm going to give you my reasons why it's not a good idea to sell a property as is. Hi, it's Rupesh. Thanks for joining me. I've got a lot of homeowners that I'm meeting with at the moment, and what they're telling me is that they want to sell a property, but they want to sell it as is. So usually what happens is when I meet with them, when they tell me that, I usually will ask them, what is actually wrong with the property that you want to sell it as is? And most of the time, it's not anything that is a major concern. So what I usually do at that point is usually coach them and educate them on what repairs are necessary and what repairs could come up in a home inspection report. And the things I wanted to go over with you so you fully understand that is that the roof has to be free of leaks, the heating and the air has to be operable, the house has to be free of plumbing leaks, and the electrical just has to be free of any hazards. So those are just some simple things that come up in an inspection report, and that's what you're required to do. And a lot of homeowners who are wanting to sell a property as is, I always let them know, like, hey, these are just some things that have to be taken care of whether you sell the house or not. And typically, what I advise the clients to do is, hey, don't sell it as is, because if a buyer sees the home being sold as is, they go to the what is actually wrong with the house, how much money is this going to cost me, and that actually deters the buyer from actually coming to look at your house, giving you the money that you want, and therefore you may not get the price that you're looking for. So if you're looking to sell your home as is, before you make that call, what I advise you to do is really think about the things that are wrong with the house, and think about, is this a big issue or is it not? And I would really advise you to not sell a property as is unless you can avoid it. And if you've got any questions about a property that you're wanting to sell, maybe it has some concerns and you don't know what the market will do in terms of purchasing your property, feel free to drop us a line. We can help you with this. And just wanted to give you some concerns of mine when you're actually selling as is, and how it can impact your your market value and the price that you can get for your house. Thank you.